All right, we're doing something really fun. I've got the Chalk Mountain glazing dust out in bronze, which is an incredibly shimmery metallic, and red. So I'm doing the smallest amount of red ever, and all it's going to do is tint this into a rose gold color. I mix it up with my satin poly, and now I have an awesome metallic striping medium to accent my piece with. So I apply this with an artist brush over a sealed surface. I make sure that my surface has already been sealed with satin poly in case I make a mistake. I can just wipe it right off. No harm, no foul. Now this is a little bit sheer. If you don't like it that sheer, you can add more glazing dust, but I'm going to do 2 coats anyways, and 2 coats will give me full coverage. And I just love that this adds so much fancy to my pieces. It is stunning. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little reel, and there she is, 2 coats of glory.